Meaning of frogman.
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 Frogman. A frogman is a professional diver who often works underwater for military or commercial purposes. The term originated from the early days of scuba diving, when the bulky gear made divers look like frogs. Frogmen are trained in various underwater skills such as combat diving, salvage operations, deep-sea exploration, and underwater engineering. They use advanced equipment like rebreathers and closed-circuit diving systems to extend their underwater time and range. Today, frogmen play a critical role in naval special warfare, search and rescue missions, scientific expeditions, and even in the entertainment industry.